Hey guys, this is Skyforce95. If you know anything about me, is that I love biking, and today I have a really cool nifty little biking gear here. Not only is it protective, but it also has this rear light module in the back so you can be visible at night. It comes in several different colors on Amazon. As usual, I'll put the link in the description so you guys can check it out. Here I have this kind of metallic gray color here. I think it's a very nice neutral color. Not only does it have the light in the back for nighttime, but for bright daylight it has this snap-on visor in the front. That's really nice as well. It has a very comfortable strap. You can see here it actually has an extra padded lining that's put together by Velcro so it doesn't rub against your chin for those of you who have more sensitive skin. And then here in the back, to adjust the tension around your head, you have this little knob that you can turn. So it has all the standard features that you would expect from a helmet, so that's good. Now moving on to the star of the show, which are these lights. So in the back, there's a clear little indentation that you can press. You can easily feel it out. So pressing the button each time cycles through the 3 different lighting modes. The first of which is this strobe lighting pattern, and then the next one is this blinking pattern, and finally the last one is a steady red light. So this helmet doesn't really come with any specs on how bright these lights actually are, so I don't know the lumen count for this thing, but I can tell you that it's definitely not bright enough to be visible during the day, but you're probably not going to have it on during the day anyways. It is definitely visible during the nighttime, both when it's blinking and also when it's steady, so that's definitely a good thing. Now some of you are probably wondering, how is this in terms of waterproofing and what do I do to change out the batteries and that kind of technical stuff? Well, I can say that the module itself is actually removable. You just need to push it out of the alcove like this. So looking at the front, there really isn't any place for water to get in, but unfortunately when you flip it over, you can see there are 2 cutouts that water could get in, but I'd say it's very unlikely that you would have it because it would pretty much be on the back of your head. But if you really are that concerned, you can just pop out the compartment and then just slip it somewhere else. So you probably don't want to wear this during a downpour at night. But then in terms of the battery, you can see on the underbelly of this thing, there is a very tiny little coin battery that powers this. It is a tiny 3-volt CR1616 coin battery, and convenient enough, right out of the package, you actually get an extra coin battery, so that's really nice. Though the main gripe I have with this lighting setup is how difficult it is to access the battery. You can see you have to remove basically the motherboard or the module for the lighting system in order to access the tiny coin battery stuck on the other side. But coin batteries like these usually last a decently long time, so I can't expect you to be changing this out too often. So there's a lot to like about this helmet, pretty much very little cons, so I definitely recommend this if you're looking for a new helmet at a reasonable price, around $25 currently on Amazon. As usual, link will be in the description. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please give it a like, it'd be greatly appreciated, and make sure to subscribe to my channel Skyforce95 if you haven't already to get more content like this. Or if you're watching this on Amazon, head over to my channel URL right here, or just search it up on YouTube Skyforce95. There you'll see a bunch of my product reviews and unboxings. Feel free to browse, or if you want to search for something specific, just hit that search field. That'll do it for this video. This is Skyforce95. Thanks for watching.